For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology. Once you find the page that looks like mine, you will be clicking and dragging boxes depending on their ending sound. There are 6 ending sounds listed within these 30 words. Make sure you are saying these words aloud and carefully listening to the ending and then sorting by that sound. When you are done, you should have all 30 words in the correct placement on your chart. Make sure you click Submit Assignment when you are done. Let's do a couple together. This word is drastic. It has a k sound at the end. I'm going to start off by clicking and dragging it to my ending sound 1, just so I start sorting ahead of time. My next ending sound is breath. The TH makes a th sound. That's a different sound, so I'm going to click it and drag it to the next one. Continue this pattern. This word up here is picnic. It has the same ending sound as drastic, so I'm going to click and drag it directly below drastic. Remember, you need to have all of these words in a box that have the same ending sounds.